up, y'all? Driving to school right now in the black truck, and I wanted to show you guys real quick. I got these new mirrors put on here a couple days ago, and this is actually my first time driving with them on the interstate. I wanted to show you guys. These things are awesome. So you can see. I'll throw a picture up of the mirrors that I had on there before. These things are so much nicer compared to those other ones. I had the, obviously I had the 99 mirrors on there. Every truck, every F-250 or 350 from 99 to 07 is gonna have those other mirrors. I'll throw a picture on the screen of what they actually look like. These are the 11 to 16 style mirrors. I was gonna get the 17 to 23 style, but I was like, these match the steel body so well because these were the actual last mirrors that were put on the steel bodies before they went to the Illumi-Duty trucks. So I wanted to stick with it because I know that it fits the body style well. I actually color matched them myself. I have a couple of shorts posted of the mirrors like being put on the truck, my little process of sanding them and all. And if you guys are interested in seeing the whole process, I videoed more footage. So if you guys want to see the whole process, you guys just let me know down below, and then I could edit that footage up and make a whole video about that. But I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you guys these. Yeah, so if you guys want something just like this, I got them on Amazon on sale for Cyber Monday. I think they were like 200 bucks. These are the smoked reflector, just signal only, and then the chrome cap with the textured plastic. They have the signal in them, and I'll eventually probably wire them up. I know they're signal only, but I'll probably cut into the wires and then wire them up as actual running lights, but I didn't feel like messing with it at the moment. I just color matched them and threw them on as is, but I mean, they're okay for right now. So I just wanted to get on here and show you guys them real quick. Thank y'all for watching.